Well, got a little saltwater damage here. Move my coffee out the way. Yeah, I found this in the, under a bridge in the tidal zone. Boy, that's pretty nasty. Wow. Is there anything even... So, is there a SIM card in this? Is there even anything that resembles a screw? Ooh. Yep, never fails. Oh, there we go. Oh, hey, there's the battery. Oh yeah, that looks good. What is this? Made in China. Ooh, there's a SIM card. Hey, look at that. I bet you I could clean that up. I'm surprised these screws are coming out. Maybe it's just glue. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Alright. I'm going to put this under the sink. And hit it with some soap and water. And clean up the rest of this out of my way. Oh, let's see what we got going on here. Oh, that's a little bright. We'll clean this card up. Yeah, this little connector looks good. That one looks okay. Look at that. Ah. That's how it starts. Yeah. Zombie fish. The memories could be it. We'll look at the board. Well, a lot of this stuff is in pretty good looking shape compared to the overall condition. There's a lot of these MediaTek chips. I tried to look that up. It's some type of single chip computer with Bluetooth and all sorts of crap in it. In order to get a data sheet, they want you to apply for confidentiality. An ARM processor. What we got here? And we got a couple NANDs. 16 gigs. Wow. But yeah, these MediaTek guys don't want to share. Oh well, such is life.